Hey there, welcome back. I'm Megraj here, and we are working with Ubuntu 10.10. Today in this video we'll be looking how to change the date and time of the system. So to change the date and time, what we can do is we can go on with the terminal, or we can just click on this part of the date and time and we can just change the preference. So to start with, I'll just go on here and click on preference, and we can set the time and date from here. We can change to any date and time, and the time here, date here. Click on set system time, and the same will be in effect. So this is how we change the date and time in GUI mode. So for now I'll be not using this GUI mode and I'll go on with the terminal. So here we are in the terminal. We know that the command to check the date and time is the date, and we get here the date, that's Monday, April 20, 2015. Let's try changing the date. The command for changing date is dat space 2 set space open quotation, and we type the following. This is the year and the month and the date. So I have given 25th of April space, then we go on with the time, that is 11, and I'll change to say 20. Maybe the second is 00. Close the quote and we press enter. So here we get a error that there is no permission, or the operation was not permitted. So this happened because we are in the user mode. We need to change our mode to root. Root is the administrator mode as in Windows. So without we being in administrator mode, we cannot, or in the root mode, we cannot change anything. And this is important part of Linux, how to go to the root and do some changes whenever required. So to go to the root, we type in the command sudo space su. We are in root. So what we can do is, now we can change the time, that's date, or we can use a shortcut for $set as -s, and the same thing as we did before, but I'll give 30 here and any random second. Press enter, and here we go, we have changed the date and time. You can check it over here, it's changed. And this is how we change the date and time in Linux or Ubuntu 10.10. Now we can see here that we have used both the GUI and CLI for changing the date and time. So apart from this, the important thing that we have learned here is that we're using the command sudo su, that is a super user. So with this I conclude this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.